Dear students, today we will discuss multiplication rule of probability. It is the part of module 4 of statistical methods of MA Economics part 2. I am Dr. Rashmi Akhori, Professor Department of Economics, College of Commerce, Arts and Science, Patna. Learning objective of this lecture is apply the multiplication rule to calculate the probability of both A and B occurring. Key point is the multiplication rule is a way to find the probability of two events happening at the same time. There are two multiplication rules. Key term sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of a game, experiment or other situation. Then what is multiplication rule? Multiplication rule for the probability of A and B when there are dependent events. The probability that two events A and B will occur in sequence is probability A and B equals to probability A multiplied by probability B oblique A. For independent events, the rule can be simplified to probability A and B equals to probability A multiplied by probability B. This can be extended for any number of independent events. The specific multiplication rule is probability A and B equals to probability A multiplied by probability B multiplied by probability B oblique A, means the probability of A happening given that B has occurred. Multiplication rule probability specific. Probability A and B is equal to probability A multiplied by probability B is only valid if the two events are independent. In other words, it only works if one event does not change the probability of the other event. Examples of independent events: owning a cat and getting a weekly paycheck, finding a parking space and having a coin for the meter, buying a book and then buying a coffee. Multiplication rule of probability using the specific rule. Using the specific multiplication rule formula is very straightforward. Just multiply the probability of the first event by the second. For example, if the probability of event A is 2 by 9 and the probability of event B is 3 by 9, then probability of both the events happening at the same time is 2 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 9, that is equals to 6 by 81 equals to 2 by 27. Multiplication rule probability using the general rule. This rule can be used for any event. They can be independent or dependent events. You still have to multiply two numbers, but first you have to use a little logic to figure out the second probability before multiplying. Sample problem. Let's take an example. A bag contains 6 black marbles and 4 blue marbles. 2 marbles are drawn from the bag without replacement. What is the probability that both the marbles are blue? Step 1. Label your events A and B. Let A be the event that marble 1 is blue and let B the event that marble 2 is blue. Figure out the probability of A. There are 10 marbles in the bag, so the probability of drawing a blue marble is 4 by 10. Figure out the probability of B. There are 9 marbles in the bag, so the probability of choosing a blue marble is, that is probability that B oblique A is 3 by 9. Now multiply step 2 and 3 together. That is 4 by 10 multiplied by 3 by 9. This comes to 2 by 15. So here it is required that you should at least apply whether the happening of one event is affecting other or not. We have to look into the question whether there is replacement or it is without replacement. Then you can easily apply formula of multiplication. Thank you, students. This is all about multiplication rule of probability.